Are you ready to witness a dramatic transformation? We're taking jet black hair with striking white strands and turning it into gorgeous platinum blonde. Stay tuned as we reveal every step of the process, from lifting dark tones to achieving flawless results. Trust me, you won't believe how stunning this change will be. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do a balayage in Nazanin's style. Our lovely client's hair has already been bleached on the lower sections, while the top part is natural and, as you can see, full of white strands. For sectioning the balayage, we divide the hair just like in the video, starting from the bottom sections and working our way up. For this type of balayage, we take all the sections in a shallow technique, as you can see in the video. We start working from the third section of the hair, which is the second line of the hair. As shown, by teasing the hair, we create a beautiful fade effect. If you pay attention, we've taken all the layers in a shallow manner and teased them, continuing this process all the way to the top of the head. For the product we're using in this first step, it's best to go with blue bleach powder and 6% developer, 20 VOL. The consistency of the mixture should be like whipped cream. As you can see in the video, we apply the product to the hair and work our way up to the top, even covering the crown. It's best to take thin sections, about half a centimeter, with the shallow technique and teasing, starting from the third section of the hair. We apply the product to the entire head, including the bangs. After a 45-minute processing time, we check the hair and remove the product. As you can see in the video, the upper part of the hair has lifted to a level 8, but the lower sections have only reached level 5. Therefore, we clean the upper part with a damp cloth and begin reapplying the product to the lower sections. During the process, we realize that our client's hair has a keratin treatment, which, as you know, locks the pigments and prevents the hair from easily lifting to a high level with bleach. Because of this, we need to first focus on bringing the lower sections up to the desired level before working on the upper sections, which are the client's natural hair. Keratin can make it harder to lift the hair, and if we can't bring the lower sections up enough, we won't achieve a uniform base across the entire head. After the 45-minute processing time, we were fortunate that the lower sections of the hair, despite having keratin, lifted to the same level as the upper sections, resulting in a very even base. Once the 45 minutes were up, we took our client to the wash station and thoroughly rinsed her hair. We shampooed it once, removed all the sweet mesh from her hair, and now we're ready to apply the base color. Loving this transformation so far? If you want more incredible hair tutorials like this, hit that subscribe button and stay updated with my latest videos. You won't want to miss the next one. For the base color and touch-up, we're using the color formula shown in the video, along with 6% developer. We apply the color evenly across all sections of the hair and let it process for 30 minutes. We apply the product to all the remaining roots up to the borders of the shallow sections. Between each layer, we place a piece of foil or sweet mesh to prevent the lower parts of the hair from staining. We leave the color on for 30 minutes to process. Enjoying the results so far? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think or any questions you have. After the 30-minute processing time, we rinse the hair and shampoo the lower sections. We then start undoing the teased sections. To remove the teasing, we thoroughly apply conditioner to the hair and carefully use a detangling brush to work through the teased areas layer by layer, ensuring we gently remove all the tangles. After detangling all the teased sections, we thoroughly wash the entire hair and shampoo at once. The reason for shampooing is that creamy conditioners can make the hair acidic and seal the cuticles, so it's essential to shampoo the hair to reopen the cuticles. Then, for the toner, we use the formula provided in the corner of the screen and apply it generously to all the bleached sections of the hair, ensuring they are fully covered with the toner mixture. Loving this transformation so far? If you want more incredible hair tutorials like this, hit that subscribe button and stay updated with my latest videos. You won't want to miss the next one. To dilute the toner a bit and prevent the base color from being affected, it's a good idea to add some water to the mixture. This allows the toner to be more fluid and reduces the chance of coloring the client's base hair. Leave the toner on the hair for about 15 to 20 minutes, and after that, rinse the hair thoroughly. Following the rinse, apply a cream conditioner to acidify the hair, which helps lock in the toner and prevent it from washing out too quickly. And here you can see the final result. Now we'll move on to styling to complete the beautiful look. This is a gorgeous balayage in the Nazanin style, created for all of you. Thank you so much for watching this amazing transformation. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more incredible hair tutorials, make sure to subscribe and join our community. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it inspired you, and share it with someone who could use a hair makeover. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think or what you'd like to see next. Your support means the world to me.